Okay guys, it's the 29th of August. We're getting towards the end of August. What a great August it's been. We're all about the fantasy boat party. This is Frankie Barbados. I'm John Pitts. We're all set. We're actually standing in for a very rough Marshall who was on the old champagne last night. He was popping a few corks of champagne. We got him right at it, and now he's called me half an hour ago saying, John, can you cover for me the ball? So I said, yeah, and here we are.
Drop.